Hi students. So in the previous video you have learned what is chart, elements of the charts and the types of the chart. Now in today's video I am discussing how to insert the chart, how to resize it, how to move it, how to delete it and how to format the charts element. First topic I am discussing is how to insert a chart. So first you have to select the cells which you want in the chart. Okay, now select the range of the cells. Okay, now go to the insert tab and charts group. Here different charts are available. See here, this one is the bar chart, this one is the hierarchy chart, then this one is the waterfall or funnel stock surface chart, this one is the line or area chart, this one is the statistic chart, this one is the combo chart, this one is the pie chart, and this one is the scatter chart. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed the different types of the chart as well. So I am selecting here the column chart. Okay, so this is the different format of the column chart. Now I am selecting the simple one, first one. Okay, so by this way the chart is inserted in the Excel sheet. The second way is, now I am deleting this chart. Okay, now what is the second way to insert the chart? Select the cell and press Alt plus F1 key. So automatically chart will appear based on the selected cell. Now here the chart is appear. Now how you will move it? You have to click on the chart and press the cursor, and you can move it the chart as well. For example, here to here I can move it. Now how to resize the chart? There will be a 4 corner pointers are there. You can resize it by dragging and dropping like this. Okay, so this is the moving of the chart. Now how to delete it? Click on the chart and then press the delete key. So by using this you can resize, you can move, and you can delete the chart. Now again I am inserting the chart. Press Alt plus F1. So this way the chart is appear, and after chart is appear, that will be the chart design tab will automatically appear. Okay, in the 2013 there will be a chart design, and in the 2007 it will be the design tab. Okay, now how you will format the chart? You can select the here the chart formats as well. Okay, there are the different formats are available. I am selecting the first one only. Okay, now next point is how to format the chart. Now first is how to set the chart title. Now first way is click on the chart title. Okay, then you can write the chart title like this. For example, this chart is based on the air pollution, so I am writing the air pollution over the years. So 2016 to 18. So here I have defined the chart title. Okay, now if you want to format the legend, then what you have to do? Click on the legends. This one is the legend. Now right click on it and go to the format legend. Okay, click on this. The field tab is also selected. You can add the border as well, you can add the shadow as well. Okay, you can change the legend color as well, or position as well. For example, I want the legend at the top, so it will be go to the top. If you want to if you want the legend in the left side, then you can select the left side, left, and if you want the legend in the top right, then you can select it by this way. Now second one is how to format the axis. Now click on the axis. Here I am clicking on the axis, right click on it and then go to the format axis. Here you can select the any one of the axis type, like the text date axis. Okay, Now if you want to add the color in it, shadow like, then it will be add the shadow as well. You can change the color as well. Okay, so by this way you can format the axis. Now next one is how to format the plot area. Now if you want to format the plot area, then what we have to do, select the plot area. This one is the plot area where your actual chart is display. So click on it, right click on it, then select the format plot area. By clicking, okay, there will be a border line. Now I want the shadow in the plot area as well. So what you have to do, go to the shadow and then click on the shadow option. It will appear the shadow behind the plot area. So by this way you can format the plot area as well. You can put the border, you can change the dash types. Okay, you can change the color as well. Okay, so why you can format the plot area. Now if you want to format the data series, then what you have to do, now I have click on this data series, automatically it will selected the data series in every city. Okay, now I want the picture or texture free, so automatically it will change it. Okay, by applying the picture or texture field. For example, solid, so it will be solid. Gradient, then it will be gradient. Patterns, then it will be appear as a patterns. Okay, patterns will be appeared in the data series. For example, different patterns are there, and then you can show it. Okay, so by using this way you can select it. No fill, then it will no fill it. Automatic, so this will be the automatic. So by this way you can format the data series. Thank you for watching the video.